Hello everybody. I spent money once again. This time a metal band saw. Doesn't really matter what brand it is, since all those saws look alike. Probably the same company in China makes them and put different stickers on them. 5 inches cutting capacity, but it is reduced significantly when we cut at an angle. Let's make a test cut. Random piece of steel. I check where I will cut before clamping it to avoid welds. Clamped. You don't start any tool while it is in contact with the element. Run the tool at the operating speed and then work it into the piece. Done. Nothing exploded, no blown breakers. Yeah, almost. Yeah, nothing to complain about. 45 degrees cut. And here you can see its limitations. What a disappointment. But this is due to the fact that the pointer on the gauge is not sharp, it is just a blob. Handle to set the saw for an angle cut. To turn it without turning the bolt, lift it up. Shavings prevent smooth setup. A paintbrush solves the problem. Keep it handy next to the saw. There is this LED light, but I'm not planning to make cuts in darkness. Handle adjustment. You can divorce the saw from the table with those 3 bolts and operate the saw without the table. You can regulate speed from 0 to 435 feet per minute. In general, hard piece of material is asking for low speed. Stainless steel and machine steel requires from 30 to 100 feet per minute. Regular and carbon steel 100 to 200 feet per minute. Aluminum, copper, brass 500 and up. I think in my case it will be mostly set at 3, the middle range. The clamp is riding loose and can be locked using this lever. The back view. 2 big wheels. The band rides on them, and at the cutting opening it is deflected to make cuts perpendicular to the table. This deflection helps to keep the band on the wheels. We have here brushes to clean wheels and the band from shavings. According to the instructions, one must not use liquid coolant while cutting. In case of soft metal, we can use cutting wax in a stick. To cut stainless steel and mild steel, we use bimetal blade. To cut plastic and other soft materials, we use a carbon steel blade. Changing the blade is no-brainer, just wear gloves. Let us complain a little bit now. You wish to carry the saw and the table drops. You cannot handle it. Well, you can tilt it and then grab it by the table to handle it. But I will handle it to be able to handle it, if you mean what I know. Nothing will be damaged while drilling. Bolt holes done. Let's handle it. Isn't it a beautiful solution? Now, with this handle, I can handle it. Till next time. Geez, I'm so smart.